I think it's time we turn this boring, empty corner into this cozy space. Welcome to Matchbox Muse. My name is Morgan, or you can call me Mo. This is a cozy corner of the internet where you can find comforting vibes and inspiration for creativity and your cozy craft. So sit down with a nice cup of coffee or tea, and you can either listen to this like a podcast style while you're knitting or reading, whatever you may be doing, or you can watch along as I create this nice cozy corner. I've been wanting to turn this empty corner in our bedroom into something special for a while. It's had many uses over time, from being a space where my son's bassinet was as a newborn this time last year, to lately being a catch-all for clutter. But I think it is so important to be intentional with creating that space for ourselves. I'm a big advocate for self-love and self-care, and I think we can all benefit from creating a sacred space for ourselves. If you take one thing away from this video, I hope it is that you deserve to create an intentional space for yourself. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. I bought this chair and I felt like that was a nice investment for myself, but everything else is things I've made, things I've collected over time, things I've thrifted, things that just spark joy that are already around me. It really comes down to pouring intention into a space. Maybe it's a pre-existing space in your house you already have, like your bed. Whatever you can do to make yourself feel like you're worth it, you're worth putting energy and intention into, I really think that that brings value to our self-care routine and our space. Like I said, I've been a mom for a year now, and the lack of time for myself has really started to weigh on me. When I do make a bit of time for hobbies, I'm often in the common space with my family, but even mamas need a timeout. My self-care often ends up neglected, even though my brand is reminding myself and others to prioritize self-care. My intentions in this space are to have a cozy, quiet place to decompress, whether I'm knitting, reading, journaling, or simply connecting with my breath. Many of you may know me from Instagram as Mind Aroma Co., my non-toxic candle business. So this space is almost guaranteed to always have a nice candle burning in the corner, whether it's me testing new scents or using it for relaxation. I think the atmosphere of our space is also so important for really grounding us in the present and making us feel like this is a safe space for us to be able to decompress and really unwind. I think having a quiet space for myself will be very helpful in sparking inspiration and creativity. I love crafting, and having a space just for that will be so helpful for me. Let me know in the comments below, what is a must-have in a cozy space for you? Like, what really sets the tone and intention for you? I'm looking forward to reading your ideas and recommendations. And here is the cozy corner reveal. If you've made it to this part of the video, I want to thank you for joining my cozy corner. And if this video brought you any inspiration or comfort, I hope you can hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future cozy videos.